By this time, you might have heard about the iOS 16 issues where your phone is not waking up in the morning when you are trying to wake it up, either by pressing the power button, lock, unlock button over here, or even touching the screen like this. So this is iPhone 14 Pro, which just got released and I had pre-ordered it. So I faced the issue this morning. I was not able to wake my phone up. I was not able to start my phone up. I tried various options and it was really not working. You might have heard about this problem, which is happening on iOS 16 version of the operating system. And Apple is trying to give the fix for that, and there was a version released 16.0.2 today, which might be resolving the issues. But if you are still having a trouble and if you wanted to somehow figure out to reboot your iPhone, you might not have to go to Genius Bar and do that. I was talking to one of the technicians in Apple, and the way you could do that is pretty simple. So let me explain it to you so that you can follow the directions here and kind of do it by yourself. So first you need to press the volume up button for like a quick click on the volume up button, release it. Quick click on the volume down button, release it. And then press and hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo in your screen. You might have to press and hold this one for at least for 60 seconds. Within 60 seconds, you should see the Apple logo, and that should resolve your issue. As soon as you get into your iPhone, I would suggest you to take the backup. I would suggest you to do a sync with your MacBook or with the iClouds or whatever you are using to back your phone up. But the process is pretty simple. You'll have to click the volume up button like this, volume down button like this, and then press and hold the lock unlock button until you see the logo. I hope this video helps you out. I was facing this issue, and there are several blogs which talks about getting into your BIOS, getting into your how to restart your phone and everything. So this process pretty much works for all the iPhones that you have after the generation of iPhone X or iPhone 10. You could always click the volume up button, release it, volume down button, release it, and then press and hold your lock unlock button until 60 seconds until you see the Apple logo. And that should restart your phone. That should reboot your phone, to be very specific. I hope this video helps you out and resolves your issue if you are facing one. Thank you very much.